Hey everyone, my Starlink came a week ago. I unboxed it. I got in touch with a welder to set up a pole mount for me. I actually ordered the mount from eBay. I'll put the link down below. I gave the welder two metals and gave him instructions on how to weld it so it can easily be mounted. I documented the entire process, the entire thing, and I'm going to show you how it went. So enjoy the video. All right, hi guys. So the Starlink just came, right? And just gonna do a little unboxing. Let's see. Then we have which one is okay. Now, so this is what comes in the box. All right, like I said, it's just the kickstand. It doesn't include a pole mount or anything like that. So let's take this out and see what's in the box. So we have, I think this is just a guide how to set the kickstand, how to set up the Starlink, and how to configure your phone and everything. And then inside we have this, we have the router, and then we have I think this is so as you can see on the paper, that's a satellite, and then that's a router. There is a cable that connects the satellite to the router, and this is, I think, the power adapter for the satellite and the power adapter for the router. Then we have some extra papers in there. That's it. That is all you get in the box. There's no pole mount whatsoever, nothing of that sort. So you only get, again, you only get a satellite with the kickstand. That is all. All right. So if you want to mount it on your roof, you are going to need a pole mount or a wall mount. Right? It doesn't come with it. You have to purchase that separately, which is extremely expensive on Starlink's website. So that's it for the unboxing video. Subscribe and comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this kit, because I heard the version 2 or the Gen 2, I think it came with a pole mount, but this Gen 3 now they don't add anything of that sort, right? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below, and stay updated for the installation video, the configuration video, and then some speed tests. All right, see you soon.